She gives attention and the tail. Judah in the background. Oh no! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh, there she goes.
Back to the little castle.
Gibbs. Hi. Yeah.
Oh, Snowy's starting to get curious and starting to, she like starts thinking.
Okay, that's it.